Ever wake up feeling completely drained, like you barely slept? Maybe it's hard to get off the couch, or you feel a little wobbly going up the stairs. You might think it's just part of getting older, but there's more to it, and doctors don't talk about it nearly enough. It's called sarcopenia. The World Health Organization now officially recognizes it as a disease. But here's the tricky part. It doesn't show up like a fever or a sharp pain. Like, sarcopenia works quietly in the background, slowly chipping away at your strength. One day you start noticing the signs. Your legs feel weaker, you struggle to get out of bed or a chair, your balance isn't what it used to be, and maybe you've even had a few unexplained falls. It creeps in slowly, but its impact is anything but subtle. Here's something surprising straight from Harvard Medical School. By the time you hit 60, you could lose up to 33% of your muscle mass. And get this, it often starts much earlier, sometimes as early as your 50s, even if you eat well and feel healthy. That's the scary part. This silent muscle loss can sneak up on you before you even realize it. But here's where things can change. If you or someone you love is over 50, this could be the turning point. So before we dive into the powerful info that could change your life, make sure you hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell. We drop health tips like this every week, stuff that can really make a difference in how you feel and move every day. Our next video could be exactly what you need, so stay in the loop. Now, are you ready for the good news? Get excited, because it's coming. And if you're watching right now, I want to hear from you. If this message hits home, type 1 in the comments. If not, type 0. Let's see who's with me. There's good news. This muscle loss isn't a life sentence. New research is flipping the old belief that losing muscle with age is just how it goes. One incredible study found that 91% of people over 70 were able to rebuild a significant amount of muscle in just 6 weeks, just by making a few simple changes to their diet. And yes, I'm about to share exactly how they did it. Scientists have discovered that certain foods contain powerful compounds that can actually help people in their 80s regain lost muscle. That's right, even in your 80s, your body can bounce back. We now know that while aging does bring changes, sarcopenia doesn't have to take over your life. With a few smart, easy steps, you can take control and even reverse the damage. What if I told you there are foods that can actually help reverse this silent loss of strength? That's right. Your kitchen might hold more power than your medicine cabinet. In fact, for many people over 80, the right foods can work better than medication when it comes to rebuilding muscle and regaining energy. Now, out of the 6 must-eat foods for seniors, number 6 is the real game changer, and almost no one's talking about it. It's the hidden hero that could make all the difference in keeping your muscles strong and your body moving with ease. Let's talk about a surprising muscle-supporting food that often gets overlooked: brown rice. While most people reach for white rice, brown rice quietly delivers a powerhouse of nutrients that are especially important for older adults trying to keep their muscles strong. Unlike white rice, brown rice keeps its bran and germ, which means it's packed with fiber, complex carbs, and essential vitamins and minerals. These complex carbs give your body a steady stream of energy, not just for daily activities, but also for muscle repair and strength. That slow, steady energy release is a big deal, especially for seniors whose energy might dip during the day. Brown rice helps keep your body fueled longer, supporting physical activity and helping muscles stay in shape. It's not flashy, but it's one of the most valuable foods you can have on your plate. Brown rice does more than just fuel your body. It helps keep your energy steady all day long. For seniors, this is key. Sudden spikes and crashes in blood sugar can lead to exhaustion and weakness, making it harder to stay active. But with brown rice, those ups and downs are kept in check, giving your body the stable energy it needs to move, exercise, and maintain muscle. And let's not forget about fiber. Brown rice is full of it, and that's a big win for overall muscle health. Fiber keeps your digestion running smoothly and helps prevent the sluggishness that can come with irregular bowel movements, something many people deal with as they age. It also plays a role in keeping blood sugar balanced, which is important for energy production and healthy muscle function. So if you want to stay strong, energized, and on the move, brown rice deserves a regular spot on your plate. Brown rice is more than just a good source of energy. It's packed with key vitamins and minerals that directly support muscle health. One standout is magnesium. This mineral plays a big role in how your muscles contract and relax. It helps manage the electrical signals that keep your muscles moving smoothly, which is especially important as we age and become more prone to stiffness or cramping. Another big player in brown rice is its B vitamin content, especially vitamin B12. This powerhouse vitamin supports red blood cell production and keeps your nervous system functioning properly, both essential for strong, coordinated muscles. Without enough B12, you could experience muscle weakness, fatigue, or even nerve-related issues that affect your ability to move. So if you're looking for a natural way to support your muscles and keep your body moving freely, brown rice brings a lot to the table. Quinoa has become a favorite among health-conscious eaters, and for good reason. It's especially beneficial for seniors looking to keep their muscles strong and healthy. What makes quinoa stand out? It's a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids your body can't make on its own. These amino acids are the building blocks your muscles need to grow, heal, and stay strong. As we age, getting enough of them becomes even more important to prevent muscle loss and keep our bodies moving with ease. Unlike many other plant-based foods, quinoa delivers the full package of muscle-supporting nutrients in one simple, delicious grain. For older adults, it's an easy and powerful way to help protect strength and mobility well into the golden years. Protein plays a huge role in keeping your muscles strong, and as we age, our bodies get less efficient at using protein from food. That's why it's so important for seniors to regularly eat high-protein foods to prevent muscle loss and support muscle repair. Quinoa is a fantastic choice. It's easy to digest, versatile, and packs about 8 grams of protein per cooked cup. Adding it to your meals can give your daily protein intake a solid boost, helping your body stay strong and active. But quinoa does even more. It's also high in fiber, which keeps digestion on track and helps stabilize blood sugar levels. That matters because blood sugar spikes and crashes can drain your energy and wear out your muscles. Thanks to its fiber, quinoa releases energy slowly, helping you stay energized and steady all day long, something especially helpful for older adults trying to avoid those midday slumps. Quinoa isn't just packed with protein and fiber. It's also loaded with essential nutrients like iron, magnesium, and B vitamins that are vital for muscle health. Magnesium is key for muscle function, helping regulate contractions and prevent cramps. Iron, on the other hand, is crucial for delivering oxygen to your muscles, making sure they have what they need to perform at their best. B vitamins are also important, especially for seniors, as they help sustain energy metabolism and keep muscles working throughout the day. With its impressive nutrient profile, quinoa provides a complete package that supports muscle function, boosts energy levels, and enhances overall wellness. It's not just a side dish, it's a powerhouse for your health. Walnuts are often hailed as one of the healthiest nuts, and for good reason. Packed with essential nutrients, they're a fantastic choice for seniors looking to maintain or even boost their muscle mass. One of the standout benefits of walnuts is their high omega-3 fatty acid content. These healthy fats are powerful in reducing inflammation, which is a major contributor to joint pain and muscle breakdown, issues that can limit mobility and cause discomfort. Omega-3s also help lower cortisol levels, a stress hormone that speeds up muscle loss. This is especially important for older adults, as high cortisol can worsen sarcopenia, the age-related muscle loss. So, adding walnuts to your diet can help protect your muscles, reduce inflammation, and keep you feeling strong and mobile. They're not just good for your heart, they're great for your muscles too. Walnuts are packed with even more than omega-3s. They also contain antioxidants like vitamin E and polyphenols, which help protect the body from oxidative stress. This is important because oxidative stress speeds up aging, weakens the immune system, and breaks down muscle fibers. Another key benefit of walnuts is their plant-based protein content, which is essential for muscle growth and repair. As we age, our ability to digest and use protein decreases, so it becomes even more important to choose high-quality, easily absorbed protein sources. Walnuts, with about 4 grams of protein per ounce, make a great addition to a muscle-friendly diet. While they may not pack as much protein as animal-based options, their overall nutrient profile provides a wealth of benefits to support muscle health and overall wellness. After a workout or physical activity, adding walnuts to your meals, snacks, or baked goods can help support muscle repair. Here's a simple tip. Toss a small handful of walnuts into your salads, stir them into yogurt, or just enjoy them as a satisfying snack. For seniors who are losing muscle strength, This small addition can make a big impact on preserving your power and keeping your muscles strong. It's an easy and tasty way to boost your recovery and well-being. You might be missing out on this one. Blueberries. Often called a superfood, these little fruits are not only delicious but also packed with antioxidants that can work wonders for muscle health. The rich blue color of blueberries comes from anthocyanins, a powerful antioxidant that helps reduce oxidative stress, a key player in muscle aging and breakdown. As we age, free radicals build up in the body, causing oxidative stress that can harm muscle fibers, leading to weakness and discomfort. But blueberries step in as muscle protectors. By fighting off these free radicals, they help preserve muscle tissue and reduce the damage that comes with aging. So if you want to keep your muscles in top shape, adding blueberries to your diet is a tasty and effective way to go. One of the most powerful benefits of blueberries for seniors is their ability to boost muscle recovery after exercise or physical activity. The antioxidants in blueberries help reduce oxidative damage and inflammation, which speeds up the healing of small muscle tears that are essential for muscle growth and strength. This is especially beneficial for seniors who may take longer to recover from everyday activities or exercise. The antioxidants in blueberries work behind the scenes, improving muscle recovery and helping the body bounce back faster. It's a secret that not many doctors share, but adding blueberries to your diet can make a big difference in how quickly your muscles recover and rebuild. Studies have shown that blueberries do more than just support muscle health. They can also help lower blood pressure, improve heart health, and reduce the risk of chronic conditions like diabetes and heart disease. By promoting overall health and muscle function, they help seniors stay active and independent for longer. Research from Tufts University revealed that older adults who regularly ate berries had better muscle function and recovered faster after physical activity. So if you're looking for a simple way to boost your health, make sure to include at least 1 cup of blueberries in your daily diet. Whether fresh or frozen, plain or added to oatmeal, smoothies, or yogurt, each serving acts as a natural defense against muscle aging. So, most seniors don't realize how much this tiny fruit can do to keep them feeling strong and vibrant. Flax seeds may be small, but they pack a big punch when it comes to overall and muscle health. These tiny seeds are a great source of protein, fiber, and plant-based omega-3 fatty acids, which are crucial for maintaining muscle mass, reducing inflammation, and aiding in physical recovery. Adding flax seeds to your diet is a simple but powerful way to combat age-related muscle loss and maintain strength. One of the standout features of flax seeds is their high omega-3 content, particularly alpha-linolenic acid, ALA. Omega-3s are vital for reducing inflammation, which helps prevent muscle breakdown and supports healing. For seniors, chronic inflammation can lead to joint pain and muscle deterioration, making it harder to stay active. By regularly eating flax seeds, seniors can help manage inflammation, which benefits not just muscles, but also heart health, brain function, and joint mobility. Flax seeds offer an often overlooked benefit. They're rich in lignans, plant compounds with powerful antioxidant properties that protect muscle cells from oxidative damage. This makes them a great ally in preserving muscle health. In addition to their antioxidant benefits, flax seeds are an excellent source of both soluble and insoluble fiber, which play a crucial role in digestive health and help the body absorb the nutrients it needs for muscle growth. As we age, digestive issues can become more common, affecting how well our bodies absorb essential nutrients like protein, which is key for maintaining muscle mass. The fiber in flax seeds supports gut health, promotes regular bowel movements, and helps keep digestion running smoothly. When the digestive system functions well, the body can efficiently use the nutrients it consumes to support muscle growth and repair, making flax seeds a powerful addition to any diet. Protein plays a key role in preserving muscle mass, and flax seeds deliver a solid, plant-based option for getting this essential nutrient. While they may not pack as much protein as animal products, flax seeds still contribute valuable amino acids that help rebuild and maintain muscle, especially important for seniors looking to stay strong and mobile. So how can you use them? Stick to 1 to 2 tablespoons of ground flax seeds per day. Whole seeds often pass through the body without being fully digested, so grinding them makes sure you get all the benefits. Sprinkle them into your morning cereal, blend them into smoothies, stir them into yogurt, or bake them right into muffins or bread. It's a simple, effective way to support your strength every day. Cottage cheese might just be one of the most underrated superfoods for older adults when it comes to muscle health. Unlike other dairy products, it's packed with casein protein, a type that digests slowly, releasing amino acids into the body over time. That slow and steady stream of fuel makes it ideal for maintaining and rebuilding muscle, especially overnight or between meals. It's like giving your body a long-lasting protein drip to help you stay strong and recover faster. But that's not all. Cottage cheese is also rich in leucine, one of the most important amino acids for stimulating muscle protein synthesis. This is key for seniors who naturally lose muscle with age. Leucine acts like a switch that tells your body, hey, it's time to build and repair. Plus, cottage cheese is a good source of calcium and vitamin B12, which support bone strength and nerve function, both critical for mobility and coordination as we get older. So next time you're planning a snack or light dinner, don't overlook a scoop of cottage cheese. It could be your muscle's best friend. Would you like me to continue with the next food for muscle health? Exactly. Eating cottage cheese before bed can be a game changer for seniors looking to preserve their muscle mass. During sleep, your body enters a fasting state, which can lead to muscle breakdown if there isn't a steady stream of nutrients available. Casein fills that gap perfectly. It acts almost like a time-release formula, slowly feeding your muscles overnight so you wake up stronger instead of weaker. Just half a cup before bed can support recovery, reduce overnight muscle loss, and help maintain overall strength. Pair it with a few berries or a sprinkle of flax seed for extra antioxidants and fiber. Would you like to continue with the next muscle-boosting food? That's absolutely right. Calcium isn't just about bone strength, it also plays a vital role in helping muscles contract properly. Without enough calcium, even simple movements can become difficult or painful. For seniors, this dual benefit of protecting bones and supporting muscle function makes cottage cheese a smart, efficient food choice. And there's more. Cottage cheese also contains vitamin B12, which supports nerve function. Since your nerves communicate with your muscles, a B12 deficiency can lead to weakness or coordination issues, something that becomes more common with age. Would you like to highlight one more underrated food that supports muscle strength? Cottage cheese is also a rich source of B vitamins, particularly vitamin B12, which plays a vital role in red blood cell formation and nerve function, both essential for maintaining muscle strength and coordination. A lack of B12 can lead to muscle weakness, fatigue, and even nerve-related issues that impact mobility. By adding cottage cheese to their regular meals, seniors can help ensure they're getting enough of this crucial nutrient to support overall muscle health and function. Think of cottage cheese as your nighttime shield for muscle health, working quietly as you sleep to prevent breakdown and support repair. The beauty lies in its simplicity. No complex recipes or supplements, just a scoop of this protein-rich food paired with something wholesome like berries or walnuts, and you're actively protecting your strength. Make it a regular part of your evening routine 3 to 4 times a week, and you won't just be maintaining muscle, you'll be giving yourself a powerful advantage in aging gracefully. Your future strength depends on the choices you make right now. Starting a healthy diet early can slow down and even reverse muscle loss before it becomes permanent. Make these muscle-friendly foods part of your daily habits and stay consistent. Don't wait until weakness or falls force a change. Take steps today to protect your strength, mobility, and independence. Small nutritional changes now can lead to powerful, long-term results, often more effective than costly treatments. Hit subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more tips on senior health and longevity. Our next video shares 3 simple morning habits to help extend your life. Share this with someone who could use stronger mobility, and let us know in the comments which food you're adding first. Ready to take action?